GeoByte.
Welcome to the GeoByte. Dear children, our next topic temperature. Very easy topic, very small topic. You learn only 8 points from this topic. You got one question in our entrance examination. Very easy points. Actually, temperature is the measure of the hotness and coldness. Suppose we have a length. Suppose this is the length. This length, what is the measurement for this length? Centimeter or meters or kilometer. Suppose weight measurement grams, kilograms, milligrams, like that. In the same way, temperature also one of the measurement. So temperature measurements degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Observe points. First point. Temperature is the measure of hotness or coldness. As a length is measured as meters or kilometer. Mass measured in grams or kilograms. In the same way, temperature is measured as degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. This is the point. Very important point. Okay. Next. The measure of the temperature, an instrument is used called thermometer. What is the instrument for the measure? Thermometer. Doctors use the degree Fahrenheit thermometers, where scientists use the degree Celsius. Okay, and which is used to measure the human body temperature and solid liquids respectively. Listen, very important points. Very important. Suppose we have a water. Water freezing point and water evaporate point. That is 2 points, very important points. Look at the Celsius scale has 0 degrees as a freezing point of the water, 100 degrees as the boiling point of the water. Okay, in a degree Celsius. Okay, in a degree Celsius, 0 degrees is the freezing point, 100 degrees is the boiling point. Suppose in Fahrenheit, 32 degrees. Okay, in Fahrenheit, 30 degrees has the freezing point of the water, 212 degrees has the boiling point of the water. Very important point. 1 and 2 start. Okay. The Celsius scale, same point, look at 0 degrees as the freezing point of water. So water is looking like this, freezing point, ice cubes. 100 degrees as the boiling point of the water, evaporate. Okay, observe like this. Same point in a Fahrenheit. The Fahrenheit scale has 32 degrees as the freezing point. So ice cubes, like ice cubes, freezing point. 212 degrees as the boiling point of the water. So evaporated. Got it, all of you? First point, observe. In a degree Celsius, observe here. In a degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius is the, in a degrees, okay, in a degree Celsius, 0 degree Celsius is the water freezing point. Water freezing point. 100 degrees Celsius is the boiling point. In the Fahrenheit, look at, in the Fahrenheit scale has 32 degrees as a freezing point of the water, 212 degrees as the boiling point of the water. My dear children, our next point, డిగ్రీ సెల్సియస్ చేంజ్ ఉంటుంది ఫారెన్హీట్. ఫారెన్హీట్ చేంజ్ into the degree Celsius. Maximum from this conversion you are getting the question in our examination. For that we have a logic, number of methods we have a logic, but easily you can identify the logic from this diagram. Okay now. So first of all, what is the requirement? 0 degree Celsius or degree Celsius convert into the degree Fahrenheit. That is my first requirement. Observe the diagrams. Left side Celsius given, right side Fahrenheit given. Based on the water freezing point. Based on the water freezing point. What is the water freezing point left side? 0 degree. Right side 32 degree Fahrenheit. So water boiling point 100 degree Celsius and 212. Okay now. Now observe their gaps. Celsius gap how much? Fahrenheit gap how much? Observe diagram. So here what is the gap here? 100 degree Celsius. Here gap, Fahrenheit gap, check it, 180 degree Fahrenheit. So 1 degree Celsius 180 by 100. After the simplification, 0 0 cancel, 2 9s 2 5s degree Fahrenheit. So 1 degree Celsius 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit actually. But in the thermometer, in a Celsius starting point 0 degree Celsius, but in a Fahrenheit 32. So if you see in a thermometer, 1 degree Celsius is equal to the 9 by 5 degree Fahrenheit plus this 32. Then you got the equivalent value. Otherwise wrong answer. Because observe the diagram, students. 0 degree here starting 32. 0 degree value 32. So that 32 number should be added. Now reverse proof. Observe. You know 100 degree Celsius. What is the value? You know, in a thermometer measurement to 212. But by using our methodology, 100 into 9 by 5. So 520s. 20 into 9, 180. But in a thermometer, what is the measurement? 212. That's the reason 32 added. So 212. Got it, students? Because 0 degree Celsius is equal to the 32 degree Fahrenheit. That point you remember first. Celsius is a small value, Fahrenheit is a big value, number wise. Okay na? Next, a small example. "75 degrees Celsius convert into the degree Fahrenheit." How much? 75 into 9 by 5. I want to more value. That's why 9 by 5. 9 is the biggest value, 5 is the small value. That fraction 9 by 5. 5 15s. So 9 15s 135 plus 0 degree meaning 32. So that 32 added. So answer 167. Okay na? Otherwise if you are okay, then directly here 32 added, you got the same answer. Got it? One more. "10 degrees Celsius change into the degree Fahrenheit. So this 10 multiplication by 9 by 5. 5 2s. 2 9s 18 plus 32 added. So answer 50 degree Fahrenheit. Got it all of you? So multiplication with 9 by 5, immediately 32 added. Then we got Fahrenheit value. Okay. Suppose Fahrenheit change into the degree Celsius. Example. We know already 212 degree Fahrenheit change into the degree Celsius. First 212 minus 32 because 0 degree meaning 32, that 32 subtract. So answer 180. 180 multiplication with Celsius with Celsius meaning small value. We need a small value meaning multiplication with 5 by 9. 9 20s. So 5 20s 100 degree Celsius. This is the logic. Got it, students? Children, okay na? Once again, remember first Fahrenheit change into the degree Celsius. First of all, Fahrenheit minus 32, then 5 by 9. We got degree Celsius. Dear children, now confirmation for the conversion. Look at Celsius converted into the Fahrenheit. Then Celsius multiplication with 9 by 5 plus 32. Fahrenheit change into the Celsius meaning Fahrenheit minus 32 into 5 by 9. Okay, this is formula method. Next example. The patient temperature is 102 degree Fahrenheit. Then change into the degree Celsius. That is the problem. So first of all, 102 degree Fahrenheit is changed into the degree Celsius. So first 32 remove. You know, F minus 32. Okay, so 70. Then multiplication with 5 by 9. 5 by 9. So what is the answer? 350 by 9. So simplification 38.88 degree Celsius. Okay. Next, 75 degrees Celsius change into the Fahrenheit. Then what is the logic? What is the logic? Degree Celsius multiplication with 9 by 5 plus 32. So 75 into 9 by 5. 5 15s. 9 15s 135 plus 32. 167 degree Fahrenheit. This is the answer. Okay. One more example. 212 degree Fahrenheit change into the degree Celsius. So first of all 212 minus 32. 180 degree Fahrenheit into 5 by 9. 9 20s. So 5 20s 100 degree Celsius. Okay. You remember we have only 6 points in the temperature concept. You got one question from that topic. Once again confirmation. Water freezing point in a degree Celsius 0. water boiling point 100 degrees Celsius. Suppose in Fahrenheit water freezing, what is the freezing point? 32 degree Fahrenheit. Boiling at 212 degree Fahrenheit. That 4 points. Next fifth point is conversion. So 5 points completed. We have one more point. Okay, observe. These are the questions as like a test. Observe the question. Try to solve. 1 second. What is the instrument for measure the temperature? Answer: thermometer. What is the boiling point of the water in a degree Celsius? Boiling point. So 100 degree Celsius. What is the freezing point? Freezing. Ice cubes of the water in a degree Fahrenheit. 32 degree Fahrenheit. Fourth one. This is the standard bit. Fourth one. Observe. What is the temperature of human being during a day varies by? So what is the changes in a complete day? Body temperature changes in a complete day. What is the change in a complete day? Then answer: 1 degree Celsius. Answer: 1 degree Celsius. This is standard bit. In a complete day, your body temperature up and down, it become a 1 degree Celsius. Last. What is the temperature of the healthy human body? Healthy human body, what is the temperature? 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Okay, only these 5 points. And conversion. Total 6 points. If you are getting the 6 points in our entrance examination, one question is there. Last, confirmation. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degree Fahrenheit. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius or 32 degree Fahrenheit. Normal temperature of the human body is 98.6 Fahrenheit or 37 degrees Celsius. Children, I hope everybody is getting. In case, do you have any doubts? Raise immediately. Our GeoByte team will respond to your questions. Remember, only 6 points important. One question compulsory in that examination. Thank you, children. Bye.
GeoByte.